Good day, it's Milana Malik here. Thank you for purchasing Giant Video Kit Volume 2. And I want to welcome you to Giant Video Kit Volume 2 tutorial. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to import our animated character to Explaindio in Video Maker FX. Here's how you can easily import our animated files to Explaindio. First, simply create New Project by clicking New Project icon. Then click Add Slide Collection and then click Add Animated Slide from Collection. You can choose Explaindio's pre-made slide pack from list shown on your screen. You can choose whether to add single or all pack to your video. Remember, you're only able to add your animated character if the slide has image area just like this. Click on Image and then click on Image Area like this. Click Browse and then choose your favorite animated character. You can use X offset and Y offset to set your character position, and you can use X scale and Y scale to resize. That's it. You can also play with Explaindio's feature like background overlay, delay slide viewpoint, and more. Now, I'm going to show you how to import our animated files to Video Maker FX. It's pretty similar, so I won't talk a lot here. First of all, click Create Project and then click Add Slide. Choose your favorite slide frames just like shown on your screen. You can add single or all slides like this. Click on Images and then click on Image Area. After that, browse your animated character file and voila, you're done. You can create your own experiment. Your creativity is the only limit. That's all for this tutorial. Hope it's beneficial for you. Thank you and have fun.